Hello beautiful people! I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Marc, and today's vlog I have decided to teach you one of my signature dishes. Boom boom boom! Squid Ink linguine with an exotic red Thai curry sauce with a bit of prawns, a bit of bonito flakes. Do you want to learn how to make it? I am going to teach you all the secrets. Stay tuned. You know, Thailand have really a lot of very interesting curries. By the way, this curry, I have learned it in Bangkok. Beautiful people, listen. Sometimes you cannot find really all those ingredients, but I'm gonna tell you, the ingredients have to be accurate. To be able to create an exotic and balanced curry paste, you have to follow the step, and it's very meticulous how you make it, so guys, be careful. Anyways, we're gonna start by the red Thai curry paste. Firstly, we need coriander seeds, white peppercorn, cumin seeds, soaked dried chili, salt, finely chopped lemongrass, finely chopped galangal, finely chopped coriander roots, finely chopped kaffir lime, finely chopped shallots, finely chopped garlic, and shrimp paste. And that's about it. Let's start by making this beautiful curry paste. So, at first, in a mortar pestle, we are gonna add all the dry seeds. Now we're gonna muddle, and we are gonna muddle until everything is perfectly fine. Second, we are gonna add the soaked dried chili, salt, and again, we have to muddle and muddle and muddle. Everything has to be perfectly fine. We're basically making this process to be able to crush everything easily. Then we are gonna add the finely chopped lemongrass, galangal, coriander roots, and kaffir lime leaves as well. We're gonna muddle again until everything is well incorporated. It's almost done. We are gonna add the finely chopped red onions. Then we're gonna add the garlic. We're gonna muddle, again the same process, and we are gonna finalize it by adding a bit of shrimp paste because it's very important and it is gonna give it an exquisite flavor. Are you ready to make this beautiful ink squid linguine? Yep, it's very easy, by the way, it's not gonna be very hard. Just follow my steps. So the product that we need are T55 flour, whole eggs, salt, olive oil, and squid ink. That's it. Now in a mixer, we are gonna add the flour, and then we're gonna make a wheel in the center. We're gonna place the eggs, the salt, the olive oil, the squid ink. Then we are gonna beat the mixture until everything is well combined. I am gonna tell you something. I had to make the recipe honestly 3 times to be able to get it accurate 100%. And we are gonna finalize it with the dough mixer. We are gonna put the speed on medium. But by the way, while making a dough, you can never have it inaccurate recipe, and I can assure you that. But why? Because basically everything depends on the humidity, all right? So there's always a bit of variation between the flour and water. Don't forget to rest the dough for 30 minutes. Let me explain to you about the dough texture. So the texture of the dough has to be hard. It's not supposed to be soft, by the way. After the dough is rested, we are gonna slice it into 4 equal portions. Then we're gonna flatten the dough with our hand just a little bit on all sides. And then we are gonna pass it into the roller. We are gonna repeat the same process again. And basically you have to make it thinner, and thinner again. And then we're gonna place the linguine cutter, and then we're gonna cut it. And look at those beautiful linguini. Oh my god, they look very, very sexy. Now we are gonna twist it in a kind of a knot until we have enough linguini. Now simply, we are gonna blanch the spaghetti linguini. We're gonna need boiling water. We're gonna add a bit of salt. We're gonna place the spaghetti on the top. Then we're gonna cook them. And by the way, I'm the type of guy who likes my spaghetti to be a bit al dente. I don't like them to be soft. And this depends really of you, how you like it. Then we're gonna remove them, strain them, remove all the water, add a bit of cold water on the top, mix them all together, and voila, it is basically done. Oh my god, the linguine looks so beautiful. To make this beautiful dish, we require soya oil, the red curry paste that we did, the coconut cream, shrimps, they have to be medium sized or big, and then you can replace it by squids, by frutti di mare, whatever you guys want. Cherry tomatoes, some Thai basil leaves, some coconut milk, and we need for decoration the bonito flake. This is the final stage, people. Yep, this is the final stage. In a pan, in a medium heat, we are gonna add the soya oil. Then we are gonna add the red curry paste. Oh my god, can you feel it? I wish you guys could be here. There's a lot of beautiful exotic flavors. Now we're gonna stir fry the red curry paste, and we need to stir fry it properly. And then we're gonna add the coconut cream, and then we're gonna hold. We need the oil to split on the top. And you know, when you make any red curry, this is basically the trick. Then we're gonna add the prawns, then we're gonna mix it everything well together, all right? We're gonna add the cherry tomatoes, the basil leaves. Oh my god, that's gonna be absolutely amazing. We're gonna add the coconut milk, and then we're gonna cook it on a slow heat until the oil split on the top. This is very essential while making any Thai curry. By the way, you always have to know that the secret ingredient in any dish is passion and fun. For the decoration, it really depends, a matter of taste. For me, I am gonna add the curry paste from the below, and then I'm gonna add the linguine pasta on the top, and then I'm gonna add the prawns on the side. And then I'm gonna sprinkle with a bit of bonito flakes and a bit of cherry tomatoes, and voila! I'm really curious after all this effort and all this work, how this dish tastes like. The spaghetti are al dente, and this is how I like them. They're beautifully done. The red curry is honestly beautiful. It's slightly chilly, and you can really feel all this combination of galangal, kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, garlic, onion, the peppercorns. It really gives it a lot of exotic taste. Beautiful people, by the way, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was really interesting. I know it was long, but to make beautiful dishes, you're not supposed to do shortcuts. Do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for another vlog, and we'll see you very soon. Ciao!